This is John in Los Angeles. It's March 5th, 2020, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Take a look. This beautiful sky. They're all over the place today. You know, if I get mad, it just seems to bring more. So all I'm doing is sharing this with you, showing you what's going on. And it's up to you to do something, do anything. Call somebody, anybody, fire department, police, whatever you can do. But this has to stop, guys. Look at Long Beach now. Look at that. It's just horrible out there. Wish I had a tripod. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is bad. Okay. Well, I had to share this with you. Really sad seeing people up here not even notice. Look at this. How sick is that above these poor people that don't have a clue? Having a great day here. I'm not. Okay? Take care, guys. Thanks, mainstream news, for absolutely nothing.